Hi, I'm Greg, and I work on the Google SecOps team. How can your team get real value from a security platform fast? Well, every org has quirks. Certain tasks are table stakes. What's the quickest path to getting real results? Google SecOps has come a long way since its early days as Chronicle, which had a bare-bones DIY approach to nearly everything. Now Google SecOps includes layers of built-in functionality, so you can start ingesting data, identifying threats, visualizing activity, and managing incidents within minutes. Let's see it in action. Google SecOps integrates with your identity provider out of the box. Once SSO is in place, step one is getting your data in. Out of the box, Google SecOps provides data pipeline management that supports cloud and on-prem solutions. This includes an open telemetry-based agent that has transformation and extraction capabilities. To work with data at scale, Google SecOps normalizes all log data to UDM. To make this easy for you, Google provides out-of-the-box support for over 1,000 parsers today, with SLOs on support as vendors modify their log output. As you can see, it covers a wide range of data sources and includes built-in support to auto-extract fields. The new Content Hub in Google SecOps lets you think in terms of fully packaged deployments based on real-world use cases. You can grab a content pack that includes the ingestion sources, as well as rules, search queries, playbooks, and dashboards. This creates a complete experience that quickly drives value from your integration. Clicking Get Started launches a step-by-step setup that handles everything for you, so you can go from zero to actionable detections in minutes. Within the Content Hub, you can find more pre-configured packages ready for use. For example, you can choose from Google supplied and maintained curated detections, which contain packages of rules meeting different needs for quick wins. Also located in the Content Hub, you can extend your SOAR playbooks and capabilities with response integrations and power-ups. And finally, you can equip your threat hunters and incident responders with a library of ready-made dashboards and search queries designed to jumpstart investigations. There's an entire ecosystem built around mitigating risk right out of the box. The platform collects detailed activities for all users and machines such as authentications, network bytes, and processes, and tracks for abnormal behavior with its portfolio of UEBA rules, arming your team with valuable insights and tools. Supporting this is a risk analytics module that tracks riskier assets and machines for all types of rule violations, including the UEBA set. It also tracks all other curated detections and your own rules. For case management, Google SecOps includes powerful SOAR features like triggers, actions, flows, and loops that you can use to build automated playbooks. If you'd rather not build from scratch, Gemini can auto-generate a playbook based on your intent. Have a parser you need to augment? Google SecOps provides AI experiments, such as this one, which helps create automatic parser extensions. Writing parser extensions can be painful, so we built these experiments to focus on reducing the toil from complex tasks. Submit raw logs, tell it what you want to do, and it generates something you can work with, saving hours of work. In this case, I have applied the extension in my own tenant. Google SecOps comes with built-in AI right out of the box to accelerate your workflow. The Gemini Assistant lets you write queries or rules using plain language, and it's deeply integrated with Google Threat Intelligence for smarter results. Google SecOps platform comes with a wealth of capabilities that provide immediate value. Powered by Google Scale infrastructure, you can ingest petabytes of log data and immediately start detecting and responding to threats using the built-in tools. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos in our series to learn how Google SecOps can help you obtain the Defender's Advantage.